How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Computer Repair Shop. How's it going, everyone? I'm Spartan, and welcome back to Computer Repair Shop. Let's go ahead and start the day. Our mouse sensitivity isn't that great. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. Yep. There we go. Let's see. All right, that's better. All right.
We can sleep together if you want.
What? Oh, mouse sensitivity went down. Okay, close, resume. All right. Yeah, I'm not sleeping with you, dude. Sorry, better luck next time. All right, let's go back to the shop. Whoa, and some lag spikes there. All right, the last episode, we started up our shop. And we fixed up some computers and whatnot. Oh, man, that guy just dropped off one. So let's finish up this computer. Okay, let's read the note. I want power supply. I want Steam. My operating system is not original. Can you fix that? My password is change me. Okay. Hello, kitty. Yeah, no power supply. Okay. Power supply it is. Hit tab. Go to Tablito. Go ahead and open that up. Let's see. Power supply. And I should run it. Oop. Place the order. And it's on the way. Where you at, kitty? Alright. Hey, there's kitty. What's up, kitty? Run, kitty, run. Oh, and there's the drone. My delivery. Alright. Let's go ahead and put that down. And we're going to open it. Take the power supply. And let's put it in. Alright. Whoa, holy crap. Alright, let's go ahead and recycle. And let's get this computer done. Alright, here we go. You guys are gonna have to let me know if you guys want to keep seeing this. These episodes of this game. Because there we go. Oop, gonna need the flash drive. So let's go ahead and grab the flash drive. Let's go ahead and put that in there. We'll go check this door. Okay. Alright, so let's go here. Go to apps and install. Alright, while that's doing that, I want to check the note again. My operating system is not original. Okay, I thought that's what it was. Alright, let's go here. Let's go OS key generator. Wow, that's loud. No? Can't turn it off. That's crazy. enter product key. So X 69C X G A crap. Doesn't tab over. There. Go right there. Alright, enter. And we're good to go. Shut up. You're too loud. Okay. It's got Steam. All that. Let's go ahead and take the computer. Oop. Put that there. I want to take the flash drive. Put it there. And let's use a terminal. Yep, everything was completed. Complete the process. All right. And let's go ahead and ship this out. Run, kitty.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you. Next. All right. Oof, it's a super old computer. And there we go. Let's look at the note. This computer does not turn on. Other than that, there are some things I want. My computer needs to be clean. Can you overclock my CPU? I want to play Ziffa. You set my computer to run this game. I have outdated drivers on my computer. Okay, let's do this. Because let's put it on high. I would like it to be that. That's better. Holy crap. I don't know how the settings got all messed up. The computer does not turn on. Other than that, there are some things I want. My computer clean. Can you overclock? Want to play Ziffa. Can you set my computer to run this game? I have outdated drivers. Okay. Let's look inside. You have a hard drive, you got RAM, everything. Okay. So, let's go ahead and try to turn it on. Blue screen of death. I'm pretty sure that will be the hard drive. Let me see. Let's go to the wiki. Hard drive. Yep. That's exactly what it is. Okay. So, need to order a hard drive. Yeah, you get that one. Complete the order. Okay. While that's doing that, go and clean it up. Slightly dirty. And we're gonna go get the order. All right. Let's go ahead and put that down there. Take that. Go there. Box. Let's take. I didn't want to take the whole box. Just what's inside. Okay. Let's go ahead and. Oops. Throw that in there. Let's copy and leave that there. Set this. Let's see if the boot's up now. CPU fan error. Okay. When I keep hitting escape, it's actually Q. So that will be the CPU. That's funny, it says ZMD. That's a main board. Nope. You can stay right there. Let's use the terminal. Let's start the scan. See which socket is messed up. And then we'll fix the bad sector. Oh, wow, this thing is going. Oh, 97. Socket is 97. Fix. And we'll wait. So how are you guys enjoying the series so far? I know this is like a very, very weird game. But it is pretty cool. Get to work on computers. How cool is that? It's crazy that you can put this CPU right there. It scans it, and then you could fix the bad socket and just throw it back in the machine. Like, yeah, that does it. That'll make it work. It is pretty cool, though. All right, I repaired it. And we're going to take it and put it back in. Let's take that and put that right there. Oh no. I left the door open. Crap. It was Kitty. All Kitty's fault. Kitty opened the door. Damn it. Damn it, Kitty. Alright. Need to overclock. Oh no. Hit tab. Oh, well. That sucks. Lost all that money. That was this job what I'll definitely recommend. Alright. Okay. Now, these dummies don't know how to close a door. That should be something, like the door automatically closes. Alright, so we need the thumb drive. We need to put it in there. Let's see. Update drivers. Put Zifa on there, so we need to put Steam. And overclock. Okay. See if this thing gonna work now. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Nice. Let's see. Let's do apps. Oh, I gotta update the drivers. Driver. Zero render virus. What's going on? Can't do that either. Can do password cracker. Can't do overclocker. Huh? Oh, maybe that's why. Let's do OS key generator. No, I can't. How do you update the drivers? Oh, well, let's go to the handy dandy. I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna put it back here. So that way I know I can steal it. Overclock my computer, Zipa. Outdated drivers, I need to update them. Okay, so let's hit tab and let's figure out how to do that. Pass my RAM. Ooh, well. Hack a wiki virus. Employees, reviews, skills. Alright. Let's go ahead and wait on that. How do we do the drivers? Nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. Nope. 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 Apps. No. No. No crackable source found. Device manager. Oh, here we go. Update. Update. There we go. That's probably what I need to do the whole time. I know, kitty. Alright. So that is done. Still can't use that. What is going on? Well, that'd be nice if I could actually use the OS generator, but I can't. Alright, let's shut it down, turn it back on. It's like having a job at Geek Squad. Trying to figure this stuff out. Okay. It still won't let me do it. What happened to my flash drive? So let's go C, and let's try it again. Apps. There it goes. What is going on? Whatever. The overclocker. Let's see, what was the settings? 0.17 and 204. Okay. Overclock. think that's it. 0.07, 204, update the drivers, all that stuff. Okay, let's take that. I'll put that right there. Let's take you. Throw you right there. Go here. Kablamo. There we go.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. Oh, Kitty's gone. All right. Let's take that. Put that there. I want to throw this box in the recycling real quick. Let's get $10. All right. Let's get back to doing it. And check the note. The computer is not working. Apart from that, I have additional requests. I want hard drive, I want Steam, I want to play Warcry, and you got outdated drivers. Holy crap, ever get outdated drivers? Come here, you. Put you right there. Okay. Let's take the flash drive. Let's put it in. Oh, let's see what's in here first. No hard drive. So we have to buy a hard drive. Tablito. Boing. Hard drive. I think I have enough monies. Add to basket. And buy. Yeah, we do. How about that? Alright, what else did you want? Update drivers and put Steam on there. Okay. Look at this guy. Where are you going, dude? You just come on in, you loser. You didn't get nothing. Huh, take that, dumbass. Weird sitcho when that guy thinks he can just come in here and do whatever. Okay. Let's copy. And let's go. Oh, let's look at the wiki. Yay. Crackling sound. Great. And there was a hard drive right there. I'm gonna take this and go chunk it in there. Maybe we have enough money to get a power supply. I think we do. Alright. So tab. Power supply. Yes, we do barely have enough. Alright. Let's go ahead and place an order. Let's take that one out. Whatever. Get out of here, dude. Fucking thief Sonard. I heard of putting a lock on there. Come on. that. F, and we put that right there. Okay. Now it should turn on. You have got to be kidding me. Is that the motherboard? Oh, the display driver. Let's see, motherboard. Nope. Oh no. That's 2 terabyte. That's a power supply. Don't think I have enough for a graphics card too. Jesus. This thing needs everything. Might as well build this guy a computer, brand new one, right out the box. Holy crap. Okay, Tablito. Let's see, display card. $200. I do not have enoughs. Nope. Ugh. Let's see what's in here. Yep. Rob Peter to pay Paul. Wait, can I fix that? I could fix the power supply? You gotta be kidding me, man. I'll put you on the chair. I'll put you on the ground. You gotta be kidding me. You can fix the graphics card too. Of course you can. Of course you can. I am still a retard. 16. Fix. Who knew you could fix everything? It's just that easy. I gotta probably fix the hard drive too. I didn't even try. Ah, great. So let's see if that fixed it. It's running. Here we go. Okay. Well, since guy didn't do that, let's go password crack. Crack it. I need password. I need a password. And I'm in. Let's see. Let's go to apps. Install that. Let's go to the computer. Oh, we're getting tired. Okay, let's do this real quick. Huh? Oops. Do that. Why does it keep flip-flopping like that? Let's turn it off. Okay. Let's read the note. Oh no. To the outdated drivers. Let's take that. Let's hurry. We gotta sleep. Don't want to fall asleep.
Welpenwechsel.
There you go. Alright, run home. Let's go. Don't fall over. We'll get ripped off. We just made a decent amount of money. Whew, we're good.
Please do not forget to pay.
Whoa!
There, you're paid, dude. Alright, that was fun. So, I don't know if I'm going to keep playing this game because it's the same thing, unless I can find out how to do the battle arena to make like a battle bot or something. But I think we'll go investigate that the next time we play. And with that, if you guys like the video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. I'll see y'all later. Have a good one.